Hey everyone, so I'm already working on my car, and one of the things I've had laying around for a while was this part right here, which is the coin tray that they started putting in the, I believe, the 2008 or 2009 ISs. The '06 through '07 I know didn't have it because mine's an '07. So it's a little coin tray that fits on the side of the over here in the blank switches. The part number for it is 55441 53050, and I'm guessing the C0 means it's black. Anyway, my car didn't have, most ISs, unless you have the rear window shade and all the other options like headlight wipers, usually have 3 blanks right here. So actually mine, I've got a rigged switch right here for my Navi override, so I can it's a speed sensor override, so I can use my nav whenever I'm driving. I actually already have one coin tray. I've got a blank that's doing nothing. So last time I ordered parts from Lexus, I ended up ordering one of these. They're like, I believe it's a couple bucks. I mean, it's less than $10, I know that, but I ordered it when I was ordering some other parts, so I was just put it in here. It's a pretty simple install, so I'm already working on the car dash right now, doing some other stuff. So to take this off, it's pretty simple to just snap the panel off and then install this. So I'll show you right now. Snap this panel off, just pop. Yeah, just pull the edges and pop this out. You gotta pop off this side panel, which is just, it comes right out. And then once that's out, this side just pops. Just pull it right down, and then you just push the old cover plate out like that, and insert your new coin tray right into that hole. And it's pretty simple. One thing I noticed when I was taking this apart was when they did my dash replacement, this thing has two clips that go into the metal right here. There should be some metal clips that go into that snap into the metal. It looks like when they, like I expect, they lose clips and all that when they're reinstalling or taking these apart, so they never put those clips back on. Because I'm usually anal about that, and I'll put every single clip that I ever take out back together, but obviously the guys in the dealership don't care. But anyway, they did leave all the other plastic clips intact, so those are all still there. But so once you get it, just snap it all back together and put your side panel on, and you're good. So there you got it. Got 2 coin trays. It's a pretty simple upgrade for any of you guys with the 06, 07, maybe 08s that where this coin tray didn't come from the factory. One thing I know when I use it is if you have more than, or if you don't have enough coins in there, if you just have 1 or 2, it's just gonna keep on rattling every time you drive, so it gets pretty annoying. So you got to pack it with coins all the time to keep it from rattling. Anyway, that's a pretty simple upgrade there. If you guys find this tutorial useful, just like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching, guys.